let me show you how to make a magic circle. That is a very common way to start when you are working a circular crochet motif, like a granny square, mandala, or a doily or something similar. So let me show you. We will grab our yarn, leave a tail, probably around 6 to 8 inches long, and then use your left hand, hold the working yarn here, and wrap it around your 2 fingers and up, and let them cross here at the top. Then I hold on to the cross with my thumb, grab my hook, and stick it through the ring that I've created, like this. And then I grab the working yarn and just pull it through, like this. Then I regroup, I hold on to the ring, and I put the working yarn around my index finger like I normally would, and I make a chain stitch and tighten everything a little bit. So now I have this loop, and I have the tail, and I have the working yarn. Now, if the pattern tells me, for example, to work 8 single crochet stitches around the circle, I will insert the hook through the circle and work around both the ring and my tail. Bring up a loop, and then yarn over and go through both 2 stitches. Keep working my single crochet stitches here around both the strands. That was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Whatever the pattern tells you. So now I've worked my single crochet stitches like this, and now comes the magic. So I'll find the tail, and I will start pulling. You can see how I'm pulling the tail here now, which will close up that circle in the middle. You can see. Make sure that you now grab your working end of the yarn as you close up this circle. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 stitches. And to join here, you will go underneath those first 2 loops here of your first stitch. And either if they're a little tight like this, you can wiggle your way through. Or what I sometimes do, I turn my hook around and I help with the help of the hook to go through just like that. We're going to join with a slip stitch, so we pull the yarn through the stitch and also through the 2 loops on our hook. So that finishes off our magic circle and the first round of single crochet stitches. And if you want to tighten more, you can just keep pulling the tail end, and then eventually you'll fasten off here and run it through the back of the circle, through the stitches there, to weave in the tail.